Hi children, today we are going to see about trigonometrical ratios of 90 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta and 360 plus or minus theta. Okay, basically you know what are the ratios you are having. We know that sin theta inverse is cosecant theta. Same way cos theta inverse of cos is secant theta. Next is tan theta, inverse of tan is cot theta. So we know the basic 6 ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Inverse of those 3 is cosecant, secant and cot. So we studied up to in 10th standard level is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45. So what are the details we saw? 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So for these angles we got the values in the 10th standard, right? Now we are going to move further, that is we are going to find the values of 90 plus or minus and 180, 270 and 360 plus or minus theta. Okay, so before going to that we will draw the diagram. Okay, you know the Cartesian plane, that is your xy plane. So in xy plane so far we saw up to 0 to 90 degree. Now we are going with 180, 270 and 360 degrees we are going to see. Okay, in first quadrant what is the angles? In first quadrant the angle lies between 0 up to 90 degree, right? 0 up to 90 degree. In second quadrant, first quadrant it is 0 up to 90 degree. In second quadrant we are having 91 to 180 degree. Okay, in third one we are having 181 to 270. Next is 271 to 360 degree. Okay, so in first quadrant we are having 0 to 90. In second quadrant 91 to 180. Third quadrant 181 to 270. Fourth quadrant 271 to 360. Okay, so now these are the four quadrant as I said. Now how the values will be? Okay, in first quadrant all these 6 ratios, okay, all these 6 ratio will be positive. So all the 6 ratios will be positive. In case if I am taking sin 45 or cot 45, whatever it is going to be positive. Okay, all the values are positive. But if I take in second quadrant only sine and inverse of sine is cosecant, only these two are positive. Remaining all the 4 ratio will be negative. Next is in third quadrant, tan inverse of tan is cot. Only these two are positive. Okay, in fourth quadrant cos and secant, only these two are positive. Okay children, in first quadrant all the ratios are positive. In second quadrant sine and cosecant is positive. Third one tan and cot is positive. Fourth one cosecant and secant is positive. Okay, remaining will be negative. Next you have to know that is, now I said positive and negative, whether the ratio will change. If I am going to take from first quadrant, that is if I am expressing the angle in term of 90. Okay, if I express the angle in term of 90 and 270. Okay, if I express the angle in 90 and 270, then sine will change as cos theta and secant will change as cosecant theta. Tan will change as cot theta. Okay. So remember, if you are going to express the angle in term of 90 and 270, then sin become cos theta and secant become cosecant theta, tan become cot theta. Okay, if I am expressing the angles in 90, that is 90 plus or minus theta, or else 270 plus or minus theta. If I am going to express in term of 90 and 270, sin become cos, secant become cosecant, tan become cot. In case if I am going to express in term of 180 and 360, okay, in term of 180 and 360, then there is no change. Okay, sin as it is, sin cos